What's up? What's up, Jake? Says on.
What?
What's up, Jake? What's up, Tony?
I missed it. Did they win?
Yeah. Okay, you want some Devonta Smith? Let's see some Devonta Smith. He's asked for. Okay. We have the Cardinals available, I believe. $17 Cardinals.
We got a different Jake. This is Kyle Pitts Day.
All right. Kyle Pitts. Yeah, let us know what teams you got. Who do you want in this
Smitty PC.
no huddle? Smitty PC?
Devontae Smitty.
Yeah, Devonta Smith, yeah.
Cooper wants to trade Lance Fire.
All right.
Kyle's back looking for some more Jamar Chase.
All right, Kyle. Try to get you one this time. Don't worry, though. We did top load and sleeved your Joe Burrow. Don't worry.
Andy Hutchings said, I'll take it for 2012. What is that? Cardinals?
Yeah.
What was the going price?
It was 17.
17.
It was, I think it, yeah, 17. Oops. That's fine.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. That's a good question, Jake. Let's see if we can. Let's read this real quick. Can we pull Peacocks out of this? I don't know about Peacocks, but you can get all the other case hits. I don't think Peacocks are in this. I think that's just the choice. But you got like No Huddle, Honeycombs. You got, let's see, Golds. All the disco, like the disco variations for the No Huddle. I'm not seeing anything that says anything about Peacock here, though, so I think that might be
Peacocks
choice.
are choice.
Yeah, I think that's choice exclusive. All right, do we give him the Cardinals?
Someone else asked, so we're still.
Okay. Just the cards are available. Yeah. Welcome. What's up, Chris? What's up, Andy? What's up, Simon? Welcome to Wawa. We are at break, 246 here? Break number 246. We just wrapped up a pretty sick No Huddle 2-box break a little bit ago.
What did you say, 15?
12.
12?
Yeah. Much
So many comments.
Andy, what did Andy say? Andy got him.
Hutchins?
Andy Hutchins. Andy Hutchins, you got the Cardinals for 12. How would you like to pay? PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. Wow, Jakey, that's crazy. That is crazy.
What?
That is a wild break combo too. Zenith and first off the line Mosaic. That's pretty sick.
You were in a first off the line. You missed 2 autos.
Yeah. Welcome, Francisco. FJC. All right, we're gonna get ripping here. No Huddle. No Huddle. Mosaic. 8 team packs per box, 8 cards per pack, 1 autograph per box on average, 5 inserts. And 1 rookie variation, no huddle. Per box on average. Bunch of silvers. Yeah, 3 silvers and 10 no huddle parallels. So good luck. Let's see a 1 of 1. Let's see an auto of Joe Burrow. We just saw Justin Herbert auto for you Chargers fans out there. Maybe we can get another one. Yeah, the last break was pretty money. People can repeat it. Lots of cards. We'll get them all shipped out to you ASAP tomorrow. All right. First pack coming up. Let's go. Maybe. You never know. First pack. Hicks. LJ. Daniel Jones. And for the Jets, Jamison Crowder. AFC. Silver. No huddle. J.J. Watt. Derrick Henry. Kenneth Gainwell. NFL debut. And Jalen Camp. All right, next pack. Marcus Lawrence. Josh Jacobs. Fletcher Cox. And how about a silver? Najee Harris, NFL debut. Going out to the Steelers. Nice card. Awesome. Zeke. Terrell Davis. Chris Carter. Terrace Marshall Jr. Going out to the Panthers. Base rookie. All right.
Questions from a
Yeah.
guy about him.
DeAndre Swift.
He thinks he got Herbert.
AJ Brown. Blake Martinez. We got a no huddle variation here. It is a rookie. It is San Francisco. It is Elijah Mitchell. Banger. Elijah Mitchell, 41 out of 50. Going out to San Francisco. There you go. Nice hit, San Fran. Baker Mayfield. There's a Smitty. NFL debut, Devonta Smith. Jared Goff. And how about Davis Mills? Base rookie card. Nice. Nice. Looks like a running back box so far, huh? All right. Put this here, that's fine. Lamar Jackson. We got our auto here, so I'm going to put it behind Daniel Marino. How about introductions? Travis Etienne Jr., Silver, no huddle. Tyreek. Greg Rousseau. Allen Robinson and Jamar Jefferson. We'll take a look at that auto at the end of this box. Singletary. Cunningham. Herbert. Base. Devonta Adams. Silver, no huddle. Mahomes, Super Bowl MVP. Not this year, unfortunately. Larry Fitzgerald, Big Ben, and Chris Evans. Sorry, Kyle, that is not Jamar Chase. It is a Bengal rookie. It is not Chase. He's in here. Daniel Hunter. Devin White. Davis Mills. No huddle. Variation. Silver. Nice. Nice hit. Titans. Or Texans. Sorry. Marshall Faulk.
Mitchell was the 50, right?
Yeah. Trevor Lawrence. NFL debut. Dak Prescott. Joe Montana. And Dez Fitzpatrick. Nice. Davis Mills. Cool. Nice pack. All right. Deion Sanders. Plaxico. Darren Waller. Kyle Pitts. Introductions. Walter Payton. Lamar Jackson. Zach Wilson. NFL debut. And JOK for the Browns. right, Roquan. Dan Fouts. Claypool. For the Steelers. TJ Watt. TJ Watt. Purple. Out of 50. No huddle. Purple. TJ Watt. Nice hit for the Steelers. Jalen Hurts. Rodgers. Calais Campbell. And Elijah Mitchell. Base. Nice hits. We are doing well right now. We are doing well. This is a good box. Keep the magic going. Ray Lewis. Jamie Collins. Kirk Cousins. NFC. Followed by Mark Andrews. Silver no huddle. We got Kyler. Joe Montana. Derek Brooks. And Dami Brown for Washington. All right, Travis Kelce. CeeDee Lamb. Winfield. Minka. Steelers are eating it on this break. If you're a Steeler fan and you bought the Steelers, you have a lot of cards here. Mahomes. There he is, Justin Fields, NFL debut. Nice. Got Russ Wilson and Jalen Darden. All right, Luke Kuechly. Harrison. Miles Gaskins. We got Adrian Amos, blue disco to 75. That is 64 out of 75. Going on to the Packers. We got Josh Jacobs, Patrick Surtain, NFL debut. DK and Khalil Herbert, the Bears. All right, J.K. Dobbins. Michael Strahan. Henry Ruggs. Hit behind it. It's blue. Mosaic. Another Steeler.
Wow.
AFC. Retired Big Ben.
The whole team.
57 out of 75. We got the whole team up here. Wild. Nice. Steelers are eating. Joe Montana. Jason Witten. Joe Mixon. Marquez Stevenson. Okuda. DJ Chark. Big Ben. Oh, Smitty. Devonta Smith.
There you go.
Base. Devonta Smith base. No huddle. Sick. There you go, Jakey. I'm an Eagles fan as well. That is a sick card. Let's talk. NFL debut, Trey Sermon. Michael Thomas. John Elway. Asante Samuel Jr. That is a sick card, Jakey. Nice hit. Let's get these guys up here. So the Steelers just going to take over the top row. All right, Cooper. Deion Jones. DK. Charles Tillman. Man of the Year. Marcus Allen. John Elway. Kelsey. Ramondre Stevenson for the Patriots. Nice. TJ Hawkinson. Damon Harris. Derrick Henry, followed by Silver. Warren Moon. Man of the Year. Followed up by Kadarius Toney. NFL debut. Aaron Jones. The GOAT. Tom Brady. And Demetric Felton. Yeah, you got to keep building those PCs, man. That's pretty sick. Ricky Williams. Sean Alexander. Ray Lewis. Silver Mosaic. Super Bowl MVP. Followed by Silver AFC. Nick Chubb. Dan Marino. Keenan Allen. Kwity Paye. Boom. Mac Jones. Mac Jones base. There you go, Patriots. Mac Jones. Nice. Dak, Ridley, Hunter Henry, Travis Kelce, Saquon, Tom Brady, Drew Brees Man of the Year, and Jamin Davis. Nice. All right, last pack, and we'll check this auto out. Ed Oliver, David Johnson, Leonard Williams, Stephon Diggs, montage, LaDainian Tomlinson, Joe Burrow, got you another Burrow, and whoa, there he is. NFL debut, Jamar Chase. Got you something, Kyle. And Peyton Turner, rookie. All right, suspense. Oh, some color in this one. Is this a gold? This might be a gold number to 10 auto, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
This
on fire.
This might be. Okay, it's upside down. I'm sorry. You know what? Let's just do it. Amon-Ra St. Brown gold. Going out to the Lions. That is 4 out of 10. You know what? You add the 4 to 10, you get his jersey number 14. This is a sick card. Congratulations. Amon-Ra St. Brown. What a banger hit. Out of 10. Gold out of 10. Dan Marino was covering that bad boy up. What a hit. He caught fire towards the end of the year. That is a sick hit. Sick hit. What a way to end that first box. Guess what? It ain't over, Rock. It ain't over. We got another one. Woo! Pretty. I like gold. All right, who we moving out of the way here? All right. Let's go. You know what? Let's replace some of these Steelers up here with some other fire, baby. I don't know. We got like a rainbow going on over here. What color do we need next? Black? Some black? Is that what we need? A 1 of 1? What other colors can we get in this? Pink? We need pink, right? Out of 20? I don't think white's in this. All right. Box number 2. All right. Yeah, let's try to get another Herbie auto, right? All right. Let's go. Box 2. That's gonna be a hard box to follow, man. That's insane. We've pulled some fire tonight in Wawa. Marino, Peyton Manning. Well, there's a Herbert for you. Blue chips. Mac Jones. James Robinson. Myles Garrett. Julio. Sam Ellinger for the Colts. All right, Derrick Henry, Leonard Williams, Jared Goff, James Robinson, Carson Wentz, Chad Johnson, Clyde, Christian Barmore. Boring pack. Where is the fun stuff? Where is the fun stuff? Dan Fouts, Mahomes. Here's some fun stuff. It's blue. It's out of 75. What do we got? We got Jamison Crowder. Jamison Crowder. That is 48 out of 75. All right, Emmitt Smith. Dilfer. Little chubby Dilfer there. Rodgers. Elijah Moore. Base. All right, we gotta build that momentum. We gotta build it. All right, Plaxico, Darren Waller, Scary Terry, Silver Mosaic, followed by, hey, PC Eagles, Ryan Dawkins, No Huddle, Silver, sick, Jake Plummer, Peyton Manning, T. Higgins, Micah Parsons, base, rookie, nice. There we go. Keep it going. Heating up. Gaskins. DK. Drew Brees. Javon Holland. Silver, No Huddle. Donald Driver, Robbie Anderson, Quentin Nelson, and Gary Brightwell is our rookie. All right. Damian Harris, Baker, another Devonta Smith, followed up by Greg Newsome, Silver Prism rookie. We got Baker, Billy Sims, DJ Moore, and Dax Milne. Who is this guy? Tight end? For Washington. I've never seen that guy. Did he even play? I thought they had a different tight end that was a rookie. I don't know what's going on there, but okay. All right, James Harrison. Got some color here. Saquon. GOAT, Tom Brady. It's covering up. Who is it? Oh, boy.
The pink?
It's Kareem Hunt. Kareem Hunt. Out of 50. 49 out of 50 for the Browns. Sorensen. Jalen. Patrick Queen. And Tutu Atwell. Nah, he's a receiver, Jake. Got it. Chase Claypool. Strahan. Big Ben. Stephon Diggs. Silver. No huddle. Nice. C-Mac. Pittman. Youngho. Koo. Jared Dokes. All right, we got JJ, Derrick Henry, followed up by Larry Roundtree, Silver Mosaic, Larry Roundtree. I can't tell if that's a ding. I don't know what that is. There's a little scuff there. Kind of see it. Larry Roundtree. It's a nice card here. Silver Prism, Jonathan Taylor. Jonathan Taylor, Silver Prism. Got Ray Lewis, Jamie Collins, Luke Kuechly, and Caleb Farley, Kid Reporter. All right, Antoine Winfield. NFL debut, T-Law, another one. Dak. Ooh, this crept up on me here. Von Miller. Von Miller, Super Bowl MVP for the Broncos out of 50. It's out of 50. Barry Sanders, Edmonds, Andre, and Nico Collins. All right, Henry Ruggs, Big Ben, Joe Montana, Dak Prescott, and a C variation. Joey B, Tyreek, Dion, and Noah Gray. All right, Ricky Williams, Sean Alexander, Gainwell, NFL debut. Got Stairmasters, Amari Cooper, Deion Jones, TJ Hawkinson, and Trey Lance. Space. There he is. Trey Lance. All right. Hunter Henry, Zeke, Terrell Davis, and Ian Book. Ian Book, blue to 75. 67 out of 75 going out to the Saints. Nice hit. Ed Oliver, David Johnson, Roquan Smith, Evan McPherson. Clutch kicker, Evan McPherson for the Bengals. All right, we need to wake up here. Let's go. Let's wake it up. AJ Brown, Blake Martinez, Chris Carter for the Rams. Cam Akers, silver, no huddle. Travis Kelce, CeeDee Lamb, J.K. Dobbins, and Dwayne Eskridge. All right. 4 packs to go. Still have our auto hit. Got Daniel Jones, Allen Robinson, Tom Brady, followed up by Odell Beckham Jr. for the Browns, followed up by Zach Cunningham, Akeem Hicks, Larry Johnson, and Dio Obedingabigo. I have no idea how to say that guy's name. Odeyingbo. Let's try Odeybo. Dio Odeybo. That's my guess.
Sounds good.
Herbert. Tyreek Hill. Whoo, kaboom!
There we go.
This is the no huddle variation.
It is.
This is a sick card and a great hit going out to the Jaguars. Boom.
Nice pose.
Great hit. Boom. Jacobs, Montage, Okuda, DJ Chark, Dak Prescott, Emer Smith, Marset. Boom. That is a great hit. Awesome card there. Let's slide some peeps over. Look at that. What a hit. What a hit. There you go. There you go. Devin White. Daniel Hunter. Greg Rousseau. Kenneth Gainwell. This man's got both rookies now on the Disco Silver No Huddle. Calvin Ridley. DeAndre Swift. Singletary. Oop, it's not a rookie. Ben Skowronek. That's not the one that dropped the ball, right? I don't know. All right, last pack. Should have our auto in here. And we do. Josh Jacobs. Fletcher Cox. And it is a redemption. Ooh, nice behind it, though. Montage, Disco, Silver, No Huddle. Justin Jefferson. DeMarcus Lawrence. Lamar Jackson. Walter Payton. And Javonte Williams going out to the Broncos. All right. Here comes a big one, right? I would hope. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? We got football. Panini Mosaic. Autographs, no huddle. 73. Najee Harris. Going out to the Steelers. Woo! Some fire autos tonight. Pulled 4 autos, all 4 goddamn bangers. That's amazing. That is awesome. All right, we got a lot of hits to cover. We got a lot of ground to cover here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got going on here. Put some of this. Let's go through. Let's run through these big hits here. All right.
Steelers.
Let's see. Do we got any other ones over here we want to call out? Maybe. Yeah. Well, you know what? We got time. We got all night. What do we got here? Javonte Williams, Justin Fields, NFL debut. Dak, NFC. Got Larry Roundtree, Silver Mosaic. Diggs, Silver No Huddle. Greg Newsome, Silver Prism. Michael Parsons. Mac Jones, Blue Chips. Jamar Chase. Elijah Mitchell, base. We got Zach Wilson, NFL debut. Got Kyle Pitts, introductions. Devonta Smith, NFL debut. Davis Mills, base. And now the juicy stuff. Montage, Justin Jefferson. Kenneth Gainwell, Silver No Huddle. Adrian Amos out of 75 on the blue No Huddle. Trey Lance, base. T-Law, NFL debut. We got 2 of those. Von Miller, Super Bowl MVP out of 50. Jonathan Taylor, Silver Prism. Kareem Hunt out of 50. Javon Holland. Jamison Crowder out of 75. Mac Jones, base. There's our other T-Law. We got Travis Etienne. Silver No Huddle. Najee Harris, NFL debut silver. Steelers, eating in this break. Big Ben, 75. TJ Watt, to 50. San Fran, Elijah Mitchell, to 50. Ian Book, to 75. Devonta Smith, no huddle. Davis Mills, no huddle variation, I believe. Yeah, no huddle variation, Davis Mills. T-Law, no huddle, silver. Disco, no huddle, Amon-Ra St. Brown, gold to 10. Boom. And Najee Harris, redemption, no huddle auto. That is a hell of a break. Appreciate everybody. We'll get these cards out to you. Join our breaks. I'm telling you, we pull fire. That's all we do. Wawa out.